Hi, my name is Chad Minkner, and this is a Voss Honda technology video. This week we're going to be covering the all-new Honda Smart Entry system on the 2013 Honda Accord EXL. Now this Smart Entry system is only available on the new 2013 Honda Accord, and it's only available on the EX trim model and higher. So that means if you're looking at an LX or a Sport model, this system is not available. Now, if you have any questions on this feature, you can email or call me at the contact information listed below this video window. With that, let's get started. Now, the Honda Smart Entry system involves two key fobs when you pick up your new car, and that's exactly what it is. These key fobs can sit in your pocket. They never need to come out anytime you want to start or drive the car. And it's just a normal key fob. You've got the lock, the unlock, and the trunk release as well. But it does a lot more than that. What this key fob does is allows you to enter the car, enter the trunk, and even run the car without ever having to remove this key from your pocket. So we'll go ahead and cover how that works right now. Now the first thing you need to know is this key needs to be within 32 to 33 inches of the car to do everything that I'm about to show you. Now the first thing we're going to focus on is the door handle. Now the driver's side door handle and the passenger side door handle, both on the front, all have the same touch sensor built behind it, and the driver's side door has the smart lock button. Now here's how this works. If you're locking the car, all you have to do is once again have the key fob within 32 to 33 inches of the car and push this button. The car then locks and acknowledges it. Now if you want to take and unlock the car, because of the touch sensors located behind the door handle, simply put your hand inside and touch. And that unlocks the car. Now, this can be changed in the menu system. You can have it only unlock the driver's side door, leaving all the other doors locked, or you can have it unlock all the doors just by a simple touch of that handle. So that's how the Smart Entry system works to lock and unlock the car from the outside. Let me show you how this system interacts with the trunk. Now the first thing you need to know is with the trunk, the same rules are going to apply. So you're going to need to be within 32 to 33 inches with the key fob close to the trunk, or close to the car for that matter. Now, there is a little insignia here that you can see. This is the trunk open button. So right behind here, there's going to be a button. So once again, if I'm within 32 to 33 inches of the car, I simply press this button, and the trunk opens up. Now, Honda goes one step farther with this system. They wanted to make sure that you could not lock your keys in the car or in the trunk, and here's how they did that. Say, for example, you're putting something inside the trunk, or you've pulling something out of the trunk, you put your keys down, you forget them, and you go ahead and you close the trunk. Here's what Honda's done. The car beeps to let us know that our keys are inside the trunk, and of course it pops that trunk back open again. So you cannot leave your keys inside the trunk, so that's the first thing. Now they've also done the same thing with the car as well. What they've done here is exactly in the same manner. If you leave your keys inside the car, and this is anywhere inside the car, you cannot lock the car. So I'm going to go ahead and put these keys on the inside here, right on the driver's side door, and I'm going to use the smart lock button first. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go ahead and hit the smart lock button here, and it's not allowing me to lock the car. So I'm going to go one step further, and we're going to go ahead and manually lock the car. So this time, and you hear the car lock. Now, something interesting happens here when I close this door, and we're going to have you listen here for a moment. The car actually just unlocked itself. So it doesn't allow me to lock the keys inside the car at all, or in the trunk. So once again, this is Honda's Smart Entry system. They've gone through great lengths to make sure that this is going to be very user-friendly. Now let me go ahead and show you how this works for startup. So we're going to hop inside the car here. Once again, the key has to be inside the car for this to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, we're going to show you how this smart button works. This is located on the right-hand side of the steering wheel right here. I've got my key in the car. To start the car, all I need to do is put my foot on the brake and push the start button. And that will get the car up and running. The car is ready to drive without a key being in the ignition anywhere. Now the other thing about this is to turn it off, all you need to do without your foot on the brake is just to press the start button. And that'll stop the car. Now Honda also made sure that you can run the accessories on this car as well. And here's how that goes. All we have to do is simply push the start button twice. Again, no foot on the brake, just to run the accessories. So we push it once and everything lights up. We push it a second time. All the accessories, the navigation system, and even the touchscreen audio system turn on as well. So that's how the start button runs. Now let's talk about what happens if you happen to remove your keys outside while your car is running. So the car will run if you remove the keys, but Honda's done something to make sure that you don't forget and leave your car running by mistake. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the car again. Now I am going to go ahead and take the key fob here with me on this one, and we're going to walk outside the car. Now, the minute we go ahead and we close this car door, the car is going to let off a much shriller alarm and beep to let us know that we have completely left the car running. So, and you can hear the car is beeping to let us know that, hey, you are currently running right now. So, let me go ahead and shut this car off. And that's it for the Honda Smart Entry system. Now, if you have any questions on this feature, you can visit www.automobiles.honda.com on the web. You can consult your owner's manual, or you can email or call me at the contact information listed below this video window. If you have a Honda technology feature you would like to see demonstrated or instructed, you can post your ID on our Facebook page, or you can email or call me. Previous Voss Honda technology videos can be viewed on our YouTube channel, which is Voss Honda Tip City OH. Again, my name is Chad Minkner, and this is a Voss Honda technology video.